Hi friends, this is tech expert Neil and you are watching HowISolve.com. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Windows 10 installation USB drive. This will be a step-by-step guide as always, and using this you can obviously install Windows 10 on a brand new system, or you can use it as a backup copy to restore or recover a Windows installation system which is having issues in booting. For this, you will require a USB drive that is minimum 8 GB in size. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Hi friends, let's get started. The first thing you'll need is obviously to connect the pen drive, and any data present on the pen drive will get erased. So if there is some important data on the pen drive, make sure to take a backup of it. So now let's connect the pen drive. Okay. The next step is to open the browser and check the link which is mentioned down in the video description. You have to open this page. You have to go to microsoft.com/software download/windows 10. So over here, this will be the page that you will see. Scroll down and you will see this create Windows 10 installation media, and then over here you can see there will be a download button, download tool now. Just click on this and then the media creation tool exe file will get downloaded. So now we will go to that location which will be in your downloads folder by clicking on this and clicking show folder, and here you can see media creation tool, and this is the version of Windows 10. So now to start this process, simply double click it. It will ask for administrative rights, click yes, and then it will show this screen. It will download the files from the internet, so you have to make sure that you're connected to a good internet with a high speed internet so that all the Windows installation files can be downloaded very fast. Okay, now first the thing is to accept this terms and condition. Simply go through it if you want to, and then click the accept button, and it will take some time. Now it will ask you what you want to do. Do you want to upgrade this PC now, or you want to create an installation medium for another PC? So we want to do the second thing, that is create an installation medium for another PC. So just click on this and click next. Here you will see the language, edition and architecture, that is 64-bit or 32-bit of Windows 10 that you will be downloading and creating the installation USB drive. You can change it if you want to. You can simply do this by unchecking this box over here and then select the language, and edition you cannot change, is Windows 10 itself, and then over here you can change the to 32-bit, or you can also make it both. So we'll use the default options and then select next, and then it will ask whether you want an ISO file or a USB flash drive. We want USB flash drive, so we'll select this and click on next. Now it will show you a list of USB flash drive that are connected to your system. Make sure to select the correct USB drive from this list. Since in my computer only one USB drive is connected, it's showing me only one E drive, so I'll select that. Also, I'm again repeating it, all the data on this drive will get erased, so be careful while selecting the drive. Okay, after selecting it, click on the next. Okay, now the download process has started. The download process has now completed. Now it's creating the installation USB drive. Okay friends, the process is about to finish. It took a lot of time. I think because I used a virtual machine, and the pen drive that I used is not a 3.0 USB pen drive, it's an old USB 2.0 pen drive. Because of these reasons, in my case, it took more than 30 minutes for this process to finish. If you have got a USB 3.0 high-speed pen drive and your computer supports USB 3.0, make sure you use the high-speed pen drive. That will not only decrease the time for creation of the Windows 10 installation USB drive, but also it will make sure that when you use it for installation, the computer installs Windows 10 fast. As you can see now, my setup has finished and it says your USB flash drive is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to smack that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, HowISolve.com. Thanks for watching friends. See you later. Bye.